I took a brand new company from zero to $105,807 in 2 months, which allows me to live in my dream $6,500 a month apartment in downtown Chicago, even though I look like a broccoli head and I got a bunch of acne on my face. And here's the one big secret that helped me do it. Just kidding, dumbass. There's no one magic pill to make money online. There's just 1,000 little details you need to be able to actually make money. And so today's video, I'm gonna break down step by step every little detail on how I was able to grow this new company to $105,807 in 2 months. Let's get it. So number one, I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, what exactly are you selling? Like, you show all the money you're making, you have this cool little apartment, but what do we sell? So my company is a mix of a software company that helps agencies outsource their services to other service providers. So that's our low ticket subscription model for $1 trial and $29 a month. And then as an upsell, I have a coaching program that actually helps people make money online by actually starting up an agency so that they're able to outsource their services to my software. And then finally, the last upsell after that is I have a 4K agency offer where I actually help these agencies grow their Instagram through our influencer giveaways and influencer shoutouts, as well as get them press release articles so that they're credible on Google. And so that's the basic offer. Again, it's a mix of a software business, a coaching business, and a agency business. So if you're watching this and you are a software coaching or agency business, this video is for you. And even if you're a complete beginner, just take notes and I'll be able to help you make an offer right now. And so yeah, I talked about myself. So how should you make an offer? So basic steps. You don't come up with the offer yourself. You pick a niche, aka a group of people you want to help, and then you find a painful problem that they have that they would pay thousands of dollars for. So example, instead of trying to come up with like, oh, I'll run Meta or Instagram ads, or I'll do Google ads, or short form content, or I'll start a course or a coaching program or a software, fuck no. Instead, find your who. Like, who do you want to help? Who are you destined to serve? So when I first started as a beginner, I was targeting personal trainers, and their biggest problems was they lacked clients. They wanted to get more clients through social media, but they didn't know how because they were always stuck in person or they were always stuck at a gym. And so my agency, Growthology Agency, back in 2021 and 2022, is all we focused on was helping personal trainers with their ads so that they landed more clients. And obviously I documented that journey on Instagram and TikTok, and then I built up an audience who wanted to do what I do, running an agency on, again, Instagram and TikTok. So guess what? I found a problem with my audience was that they are all beginners and they didn't know how to provide services. So that's why I started my new software company these past 2 months on how exactly you could just outsource your services to my software so that you could just start as a complete brand zero beginner. It's really that simple. Just pick a group of people you want to help and then find a problem and then come up with a solution to solve that problem. So if you're a coach, agency, or software business, you should already know this. And if you're a complete beginner starting at zero, just pick a niche. It's not that deep, right? Do you like them? Can you help them? Can they pay? You're good, move on. Like, one of the biggest mistakes I see so many beginners make is they spend weeks, if not months, just trying to pick the perfect niche. But I promise you, even if you pick the wrong niche and you spend a couple of months working on it, you actually taking action and learning from all those experiences will actually get you farther ahead because now you have more experience and knowledge than just staying at complete ground zero picking a niche. So promise me in this video right now, just pick a niche and move on. And then all I want you to do if you're a beginner is reach out to like 50 people in this niche on Instagram. So example, let's say you were targeting personal trainers like I am, reach out to 50 of them and just say like, hey, put your credit card away. I'm just doing market research for XYZ project. Don't copy and paste this directly, by the way. Just replace XYZ for some type of reason, right? Whether it's like a website, a funnel, ads, whatever it is. And I'd love to ask you a couple questions because it looks like you're a niche that's killing it already. Totally cool if not, I'm sure you're totally busy. So boom, I would tell you all the psychology behind it, but I don't really have time right now. And I'm sure you'll get bored of it. So just trust me on this, send that message, replace XYZ with whatever, and then you're gonna get a bunch of people that respond. And what exactly do you ask them? Just ask them, what is their biggest challenge in their business? That's it. What is their biggest problem? And then once you have all these responses of all these business owners' problems, then come up with a solution to solve that problem. So example, let's say they lack clients or they lack leads, you could run Meta ads or Instagram ads for them. Let's say they lack exposure or followers, that's okay. You could run short form content or social media management for them. So when in doubt, just literally just type all their problems into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT itself, what is the right digital service to help them? And then I would love to talk about how exactly you can provide all these services, but hey, that's what my software company does. So this is not a pitch. I don't really care if you join or not, but if you are interested in just outsourcing all your services, that you learn how to actually figure out through this video, and you want to outsource it through my software, just check out the link in the description. I got all the details right there. The monthly subscription is literally less than $1 a day, but again, not really trying to sell you anything. Let's keep going. So cool, we went over how to make your offer. Now I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, Renzo, this sounds great and all, but how do I get people to actually figure out what I'm selling? So believe it or not, I actually didn't send any cold DMs. I haven't cold DM in like a year. I don't do cold calling because I'm ass at that, and I don't do cold emailing because I never get responses. Literally all I do is I post content on Instagram and TikTok every day. That's it. I literally just post content and people come to me, and that's it. And if you're interested in my whole content strategy on how to go viral, like at my peak, I had 1 million view videos in a month. Just check out this link. It should be on the top left or the top right. And I break down exactly how I was able to go viral over and over and over consistently. So now that we have your offer, you know what you're selling, and you know how to get traffic, aka you just post content and people come to you, how exactly are we able to convert all this traffic? So one side, there's like a fucking ambulance going through. That's what you get for living in downtown Chicago. So about 50% of my sales actually just comes through the link in my bio, believe it or not. And the other 50% of my sale just comes from people commenting cash or home on all my videos. So as you see, this video got 16.6K. This video got 7,653 comments. This video got 10.1K comments. This video got only 3,300. This video got 4,300, 3,500, and one more, 28.3K. And these are all leads. Just everybody's commenting below the word cash or home, which we then send all these comments a DM, and then we just figure out their goal and we figure out their pain. And based off their goal and their pain and all the other little details, we then either try to get them our $29-a-month software subscription, our $697 coaching program, or our 4K agency offer, depending again on what exactly they need and what's the best fit for them. So as you can see, very ethical selling here. You never want to sell something that's not a great fit for somebody. You always want to figure out what exactly is their goal and their pain, and then give them the right offer based on what they need. And so I'm sure you're probably wondering, but Renzo, how exactly do you sell the 3 different offers, right? So for the $29-a-month software subscription, we sell it through a VSL, aka a video sales letter, where it's like an automated funnel where a video just sells it all for me. We don't have any team members working it. It's just people watch the video and they buy. And for our $697 coaching program, we close through the Instagram DMs. Now for both the VSL, the video sales letter, and the DM closing, I never talked about it on YouTube before. I honestly can't really explain it while I'm holding this camera walking in my downtown Chicago apartment, you know what I mean? But maybe I'll make a video on it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to break it down. But for the high ticket 4K agency offer, we do sell it over the phone. And so luckily for you, I did make a video about that already on YouTube. So check it out. It should be maybe top left or top right, I don't know, where I break down my exact closing call framework on how me and my team are closing 1 to 3 high ticket deals every single day. We're talking 4K pips, right? Not even payment plans. And if you don't know what that means, welcome to business. It means paid in full. So now that we've gone over what to sell, how to get people to find out about what you sell through just posting content, and we figured out how to convert all this traffic, last but not least is actually delivering. And I'd probably say this is the most important part. The whole system relies on proof. We surveyed all our customers, every single person that's bought from us, and 99% of them, no cap, 99%, have all said they bought because they saw other people got amazing results in the program. They either talked to them, or they've seen it on my Instagram story highlights, they've seen it on my Instagram stories, they've seen it in my free school community, check out the link in the description for that by the way, or they've seen it on my emails or Instagram broadcast channel. And so that is the single greatest convincer for everybody, is when in doubt, let your social proof shout. If you could show other people that you've already delivered, you got other people like them with the same exact results, people will buy. So this is actually the most important part to the entire damn system that again allowed me to make $105,807 in 2 months, is just deliver what you fucking promise. That is the name of the game. As long as you deliver results, you're gonna have hella proof, hella testimonials that will convince people to buy. You're gonna get hella referrals of word of mouth spreading. People refer your business to others, and because it's a referral, people already trust that and they'll buy from you. And also number 3, is that when you deliver great results, people want to buy the next thing. So again, we have 3 offers, our $29-a-month software subscription, our $697 coaching program, and our 4K agency offer. I'm not gonna say all of them, but a good majority of almost every single person in the lower tier offers always upgrades to the 4K agency offer. Why? Because every time they're happy with that first offer and they want to buy the next. So as you see, literally everything relies on just getting damn good results. And that, my friend, is the name of the game. And now I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, Renzo, this sounds great and all, but it sounds very overwhelming. It sounds super complicated. and I don't know if I could do this. And trust me, I thought the same exact way when I first started, right? I didn't know if I was the type of guy that can make content. I was a super like shy, introverted kid. I didn't really have that many friends in middle school or high school. I didn't know if I could sell because I never sold anybody in my life before entrepreneurship. I didn't know how the hell to build a funnel or a website or make a video sales letter, or how to DM close, or how to deliver good results, especially like my first time landing my first client or my first customer. I'd never done it before, so of course I wouldn't know if I would be able to deliver. But guess what? Through every single time, I didn't know if I could do it. I always just told myself, I am blank. So example, when I was scared to make content, I just told myself I am the most goated content creator of all time. I go viral every single fucking time. Or another example, when I had my first sales call and I didn't know if I could close, I just told myself I am goated at closing. I know how to fucking close every damn time. Or even recently, trying to scale this up to $1 million a month and beyond, hiring team members, managing team members, making sure they stay, making sure we have good culture. I didn't know if I was the type of guy that could lead a team. And guess what? I just told myself, I am that fucking leader. I am that guy that could lead us to the promised land of $1 million a month and beyond. And so even right now, filming this YouTube video, I have less than 10K subs. I have like 9.5K subscribers right now. Maybe I'm not cut out for YouTube. Maybe I should just stick with Instagram or TikTok. But no, I'm thinking to myself right now, I'm the most goated YouTube creator of all time. I'm gonna go viral and I'm gonna fucking make it happen. So every time something feels overwhelming or scary, or you feel like you can't do it, all you have to do and just tell yourself, I am blank. And not just tell yourself that, but believe it. And take action as if you believe it. And then that belief will actually become true. Super hippy dippy, I know, but it's a basic quote. Don't conform your goals to who you are. Conform who you are to your goals. So if you really want to accomplish something, whether it's 10K a month, 100K a month, or even $1 million a month like my goal, all you have to do is become the person that can reach that goal. And it really is just telling yourself, I am blank. And when you do that, watch your dreams become a reality. So I hope you enjoyed this full breakdown of how I took a company from zero to $105,807 in 2 months. And if you want to work with me more closely, just check out the link in my description. No pressure, not really trying to sell you anything in this video. I could care less, honestly. But again, if you are interested in working with me more closely, check out the link in my description and we'll see if we can help out. But other than that, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe, and let me know your biggest takeaways in the comments below, just so that I know you actually paid attention to this video and aren't like the 99% that do nothing with their life. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.